Hey, what's going on, people? It's your good Crypto Gems, and today we'll talk about an NFT/gaming project called Zoothereum. We'll see what is Zoothereum, where it can go in the future, and how you can mint their NFTs. Please check out the links in the description box. However, this is not a financial advice, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Let's get into it. So, what is Zoothereum? Zoothereum is an NFT gaming project. So, as you guys can see, this is the official website. And the release of our first series will represent keys to all of our other series and offerings like coin launch, games, and more. So they're also going to have a coin for this. And before that, they're going to do an NFT launch. Now, you guys might be wondering, when will these NFTs launch? So they're going to launch these NFTs on January 1st. And as you guys can see, they are going to be very limited in supply. Most NFTs that are based on gaming really don't have any limit, which means they are limited in supply. Well, this one has a limit on it. It says here no more than 250 copies and 3,900 keys. So I think this is going to make the price go up by a lot. Again, mark the calendar, they're going to be launching their NFTs on January 1st, the first day of the new year 2022. What's awesome about this project is that they are super early. So do your own research and get in early, because the more early you get in, the more rewarded you will be. You can follow their Twitter account. You can also look at their Discord, and they're going to be doing a lot of giveaways since they are at a very early stage right now. Now let's jump on to their roadmap. So like I said earlier, they're going to be launching their NFTs on January 1st, 2022. And these are going to be 3,900 NFTs, which represents keys to all of our other projects, series, and offerings. Get yours before they're all gone. And on March 25th, Series 2 will include some things from Series 1, like Zookeepers, but stay tuned for some news and amazing things. Eggs from Series 1 will begin to hatch in this time also. On April 28th, NFTs are cool, but we love games and can't wait to show you what we have been working on. Stay tuned, this is going to be big. And everything after that is TBD. So here are eggs that they'll be using as NFTs in their game, and here at the bottom it shows the supply of each egg. Now they also talk about the artists of this project, and here it says we are a team of 4 cryptocurrency investors who also work in the CG world full-time for 15 years. Our crypto journey started by investing in Bitcoin around 2015 and have been devoted to the HODL mentality ever since. Our team is super excited to see the two industries merging. We are committed to making this project a success for everyone involved. We have spent our last year dedicated to making artworks, which you will see in this project. One thing that I love about this project is their artwork. Their artwork is dope, and they have been working on it for over a year now. Now, let's move on to their Twitter account. So as you all can see, they only have 1,200 followers right now. So like I said, they're at an early stage. Now, look at this artwork. It is awesome. They have pretty cool stuff here. And like I said earlier, they're going to be doing a lot of giveaways. So here they said that anyone who hasn't joined our Discord, first 150 get premium access freebies, previews, and more. So that is it for now. Today we learned about Zoothereum and what's unique about this project. Please check out the links in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for being here. Take care.